going to the popular Maraba market. Man, this sun is so much. Well done. Good afternoon. This sun is so much. Like I can't even open my eye very well. Kai, I'm so tired, but I just have to carry myself. Like seriously carry myself. I wish I can send somebody, but there's nobody to send to the market. So I'll just have to do it myself. Maraba market is so busy and you just have to be careful with your things. It's a usual thing in Nigerian markets that are crowded anyways. So you guys will see it when I get there. I just hope my camera will be safe. So at the end of the day, people can enjoy this video. If not, that's the end. So I'll see you guys then. So I'm at the popular Maraba market. I'm heading to the market right now. This place is actually very busy. So when I just get into the market, I'll just mind myself and hold my camera down so that I can concentrate. Okay. I'm all eyes on me. It is well, we will survive. A girl has to do what she has to do, man. Okay. Auntie,
hey, my love.
well done, ma. How did ma? They are fine.
300, 500, 200.
Yeah, 250. Ibo, it's not complete. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to be Ogbonno. Okay. They are listening. Jesus. They're going. 200.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
How much you buy?
I want to buy 500.
Okay. That's you correct. I can say here confirm me.
What I'm buying? What I'm buying?
Where you go do? Where you go? Where you go?
Yes. Plenty people go they come they buy from her.
Kasa. Agora, me filha daí. No problem now. They can see me for AIT. No. They can see me for every.
If you come to Maraba market, come on. Baba, what will be your name?
My name will be.
But if I go take find you, one person won't come buy me here. Eh? No problem.
My name will be Abuja name.
Come and look for this shop. I think he's the only fair man on this road. Yeah. Come and buy meat from him.
Yeah.
His meat is good. Okay. Oh. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye. You know, the camera, a journalist is coming to us. Take away the ground. Oh, how much for your pepper? 50. Give me. I'm done and I'm heading home. I'll see you guys when I get home. You guys are back from the market. It's not easy to vlog in a crowded place. Yeah, see eyes. Yeah. Seriously, this is my first time to like just talk in a crowded place and to even show the market. And well, I've done this one and I'm back home. See eyes. Some people are nice and some people you can see the market people's reaction. In fact, there was a time that somebody who said, oh, I passed someone, the person just said, waiting with this. Man, you just need to do what you have to do. That's just it. So yeah, the market was good and it's time to prepare lunch before these kids arrive. It's already time to even pick them, but I'll send someone so that I can just quickly prepare lunch before they arrive, the grandmasters. So I'm cooking Ogbonno soup. That's what I'm making. So let's get cooking. ogbono soup that if you close the pot, the ogbono will not draw. I don't know how true that is though, but I've lived by it all my life. I usually open the pot. I've not tried it to see whether it's actually true. You know, so whatever it is, all those things are, they are thoughts that pass from one generation to the other, and just, you know, believe it. Has anybody tried closing the pot while cooking ogbono and it's at the end of the day it still turn out well? Just write in the comment section so that we all learn, and I'll stop being afraid to cover my ogbono pots. Nice. The food is ready and the kids are back. So let me attend to them.
Good afternoon, Mommy.
How are you? Are you people hearing that cry? That's what I face. Immediately they come back. My little baby, he doesn't want anybody to assist him. Don't remove my shoes. I want to remove my uniform myself and all that. But I don't know. Yeah, he wants to be independent, but I don't know. You know, you want to do things quickly now and get other people going. Cry is always the first thing. Let me go and attend to him.